There we go. Did you see Peter and the Wolf today? What happened?
She ate the duck.
Who ate the duck?
The wolf ate the duck.
He did?
Yeah.
And what about the cat and the bird?
I don't know the cat the bird is.
Were they friends?
Nope.
Did they end up being friends?
No.
Yes.
No.
What did the little girls do in the show? And the little boy?
The play music. Yay.
Yeah, they did. Did you like it? Do you want to go to see some more? You want to go to the symphony again? Huh? You do? Say yay!
Yay.
Yay, Omaha Symphony!
Yay, Symphony.
Say yay, Omaha Symphony!
Say yay.
Say Omaha.
Say Emma.
Omaha
Emma.
Symphony.